As the election petition against Erias Luyimbaazi Nalukoola returned to the High Court today for further hearing, the court session resumed with Nalukoola's legal team cross-examining a witness from the petitioner's side. Key testimony came from Nathan Chemba Muwanguzi, who admitted that he was allegedly paid to vote in favor of Nalukoola. Notably, Chemba has since switched his support to the petitioner's side. In his testimony, Chemba stated that on March 13, 2025, he was informed by Robert Muwanguzi that Kawempe Division councillors Sylvia Nachobe and Benin Tali, both affiliated with the National Platform Party, were distributing money at the parking yard near the polling station at Clinton Junior School in Chiganda Zone, Kawempe North constituency. Chemba informed presiding Judge Bernard Namanya that he received 10,000 shillings on that day and is still demanding the balance for the part of the money he was promised if he dropped his supporting affidavit to Nambi.
Did you get the money? I sent it was the phone.
I
got some, but I am still demanding some balance.
Stand up and show
Later, Nalukoola took to the stand to defend his victory as the duly elected Kawempe North MP. However, he faced a rough start after his legal team failed to attach crucial supporting documents in response to Faridah Nambi's election petition.
That is a technicality which can be answered by my lawyer.
Mr. Nalukoola, I asked you to identify for me in the affidavit where you refer to Annexure A in that affidavit of yours.
He admitted 4 instances of non-compliance with the electoral laws during the Kawempe North by-election, particularly the failure to include results from 14 polling stations in the final tally. However, he argued that the irregularities did not substantially affect the final outcome.
But again, it is not automatic that your client would win.
The petitioner is here complaining that this election was mishandled by the EC, okay? And he's unhappy. I'm asking you, are you happy with the way the EC conducted this election?
I'm happy.
To bolster his defense, more witnesses were called, including NUP councillor Rita Nabakoza. She contested affidavits alleging she distributed items to voters before polling day. Despite the heated courtroom exchange, both legal teams remain confident in their respective submissions.
Nalukoola himself and his witnesses have been torn apart. Nalukoola's theory has been about a lot of guesswork, a lot of probabilities, conjecture, patterns, trajectories.
We are very hopeful that the court, with what has been said by me, Honorable Erias Nalukoola, the first respondent, and which has not been refuted by the second respondent, will really prevail at the end of the day. We shall be able to get our prayers, as you saw in my petition.
We believe our case has not been disintegrated. So we hope and are very confident that court will be in position to do what it has to do.
She wishes that she could become a member of parliament representing Kawempe North, which could not happen. She should just sit down and strategize.
Before Nalukoola took the stand, NRM's Faridah Nambi concluded her case after presenting 9 witnesses to support her claim that Nalukoola bribed his way to victory. Eventually, 2 of Nalukoola's witnesses were dropped. The case will now resume next week on Monday 19th May, as the parties will present final submissions in the days that follow. Betty Mudondo, NTV Tonight.